Okay, so I'm going to clean my clippers. First, you're going to want to take all the little hairs off with a little brush that you're given by the company, and just get all the hairs off from around your clippers. Like this. Then you're going to want to take a blade wash and you're going to want to spray it. And make sure that it's all nice and clean. Disinfect and clean your clippers. Wipe it with a towel or a barbicide wipe. Make sure it's all nice and clean. And then take your oil. Put a few drops of oil along the blade. Let it work its way down. I usually turn them on so it'll vibrate down. One on the other side. And there we go. All nice and cleaned and sanitized and ready for the next person. Yay! Now I'm going to do my scissors, my little scissors. First, you want to take a wipe and get all the hair off of them. Make sure there isn't any hair in it whatsoever. Help sanitize the blade. Make sure that it's all clean of hair. Work it a little bit. I even like to take my blade wash and blast all the hair out of it. That just makes sure that it's good to go. Wipe it clean, work the hair out a little bit. Wipe it clean again. And take a drop of oil and put it in the middle along the blade a little bit so that it is nice and clean and lubricated and ready to go. There we go. Now we're taking care of our clippers and our scissors. Yay! Here I have my edgers, and I'm going to treat them the same way I treated my clippers. I'm going to clean them all off first. Make sure there's no extra hair on them. With the little cleaner given to me by the clipper company. Scrub all of that out of there. Blast it with my clipper cleaner. Turn it on a little bit, make sure it cleans everything out of there. Wipe it with my wipe. Wipe the whole thing down so it's nice and sanitized. Go back and put my drop of oil along the blade. Let it run. Listen to that. Whole different story. And now my clippers are cleaned and ready to go and oiled up. That's how you take care of them.